Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into the essentials of setting up and optimizing your MEXC account. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, having a well-configured account can make a significant difference in your trading experience. First, let's talk about the benefits of creating your MEXC account. MEXC is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a user-friendly interface, a wide range of trading pairs, and access to innovative trading features. By signing up, you not only gain access to these powerful tools, but also to a vibrant community of traders and enthusiasts. To get started, simply visit the MEXC website and click on the Sign Up button. Here, you'll need to provide some essential information, such as your email address and a secure password. It's crucial to choose a strong password to ensure the safety of your account. Now, here's where it gets exciting. By using the referral code 12K4M5 during your registration, you can unlock exclusive benefits and promotions. These rewards could include trading fee discounts, access to special trading tournaments, and more. It's a fantastic opportunity to maximize your experience on the platform right from the start. Once your account is set up, take the time to explore the various features MEXC has to offer. The platform provides advanced charting tools and multiple order types, which can help you execute your trading strategies effectively. Don't forget to check out their vast selection of cryptocurrencies available for trading. Moreover, for those looking to enhance their security, MEXC allows for two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, ensuring that your assets remain safe. In summary, by creating your MEXC account and using the referral code 12K4M5, you are setting yourself up for success in the crypto world. Enjoy the benefits, trade securely, and engage with the community. Thank you for watching this video from Crypto Kickstart. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips and guides on your cryptocurrency journey.